Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Did you know that you can earn $10,000 to $50,000 per month on TikTok? Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, I'll show you how to take advantage of TikTok's various monetization opportunities. Whether you're a beginner content creator or an experienced influencer, we'll cover the TikTok Creator Fund, sponsorships, live streaming gifts, affiliate marketing, and even how to sell your own products. TikTok isn't just a place for fun. It's also a fantastic way to generate income. If you want to turn content creation from a hobby into a serious income stream, stay tuned. Detailed guide. TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is one of the most popular ways to earn money directly from the platform. TikTok uses this fund to encourage creators to produce high-quality content. What is the TikTok Creator Fund? It's a financial program where TikTok pays you based on the number of views your videos get. The more viewers you attract, the higher your earnings. However, it's important to note that payouts depend significantly on view counts, content type, and audience engagement. Generally, you earn around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views, which may not always add up to substantial amounts. How to join the Creator Fund? You need to meet certain requirements to be eligible. Have at least 10,000 followers. Reach at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Be at least 18 years old and live in a TikTok-supported country. Pros and cons. Pros. You get paid directly by TikTok without third-party involvement. It's great motivation to be more creative and consistent as a content creator. Cons. Payments are relatively low, especially for smaller followings. Your earnings are based on views, not the creativity or quality of your content. In summary, while the TikTok Creator Fund is a great starting point for earning money, it may not generate significant income unless you have a massive audience. Live streaming and gifts. Live streaming on TikTok offers another excellent way to monetize your content. During live broadcasts, your viewers can send you virtual gifts that have real monetary value. How does gifting work? Viewers purchase TikTok coins with real money, which they use to send gifts during your live streams. The gifts you receive are converted into diamonds, which you can exchange for real money. Example: a rose or galaxy gift represents a certain monetary value. The total diamonds you accumulate can be cashed out once you reach the payout threshold. How to maximize live stream income. Host engaging, interactive live streams and encourage your audience to support you with gifts. Build a loyal community by offering unique experiences only available live. Live streams are especially effective when you have a dedicated audience willing to support your content. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple, popular method for making money on TikTok without selling your own products. With this model, you earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. How affiliate marketing works on TikTok. Place affiliate links. Add affiliate links in your TikTok bio or video descriptions. Create content. Make videos showcasing or recommending the affiliate products. Examples include product reviews, unboxings, or tips and tricks videos demonstrating the product's use. Popular affiliate programs. Amazon Associates. Earn a commission when someone buys a product you recommend on Amazon. Commission Junction, CJ, ShareASale, and other platforms offer partnerships with various brands. Tips for success. Choose products relevant to your content and audience. Use strong calls to action (CTAs) to encourage clicks on your affiliate links. If you're interested in learning more about how affiliate programs work and how to choose the best affiliate offers for your niche, be sure to check out our detailed YouTube video titled Mastering Affiliate Marketing, Complete Course 2025, From Basics to Advanced Strategies. The video URL can be found in the description below the video. Selling products and services. Products and services. If you have your own products or services, TikTok is an excellent platform to promote and sell them directly. Promoting your own products or services. Example: you sell handmade crafts, online courses, or digital templates. Content strategy. Create entertaining and informative videos demonstrating your product's use, benefits, or the story behind it. TikTok Shop. The TikTok Shop feature allows you to sell your products directly within the platform. Tag products in your videos. Viewers can purchase products with a single tap. Benefit: the shopping process is seamless since users don't need to leave the app. Tips for success. Create short, eye-catching promotional videos. Use unique hashtags and participate in trending challenges to increase reach. These strategies help you build both passive and active income streams while sharing creative content on TikTok. TikTok Marketing Partner Program. The TikTok Marketing Partner Program allows you to collaborate with brands as an official partner. This program connects creative agencies, marketing professionals, and technology providers to help businesses optimize their TikTok strategies. How it works. TikTok marketing partners gain access to advanced tools and analytics to improve campaign performance. You can work with brands to create creative content, ads, or custom campaigns targeting TikTok users. How to become a marketing partner. Apply through TikTok's official website, where your agency or service will be evaluated for eligibility. Experience in marketing strategy, creative content production, or analytics is essential. This is a great opportunity for experienced marketers or content creators looking for a professional career path on TikTok. A brief summary for success. Create personalized content that aligns with your skills, audience, and niche. Analyze trends, competitors, and audience interactions regularly. Focus on engaging, creative, and informative videos. Choose the right affiliate programs and products. Finally, strong marketing and SEO are essential for sustainable growth and higher earnings on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future content. Let me know in the comments which TikTok monetization method you'd like to try, or share your success stories if you're already making money on TikTok. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and best of luck with your TikTok career.